In this lecture, I'll walk you through the user interface of Perplexity AI. We'll be exploring what each element on the screen is, how to interact with them, and why they are essential for your research. So by the end of this lecture, you'll have a solid understanding of the UI, allowing you to navigate and use Perplexity AI efficiently. Let's start by taking a look at the main dashboard. When you first log in, you are greeted by a clean and intuitive layout designed to make navigation straightforward. If this layout feels familiar, that's because it shares some similarities with Google's interface, particularly with its search functionality. At the center of the screen, you will find a prominent search bar. This bar operates similarly to Google's, allowing you to type in queries and receive instant recommendations, even before you start typing. This functionality is designed to enhance your research efficiency by suggesting relevant topics or queries based on your inputs. Just like on Google, the search bar is Perplexity AI's fundamental to the user experience. You type in your query and the platform suggests related searches, which helps in narrowing down your focus. However, there is a key difference. While Google's recommendations are often localized, Perplexity AI's suggestions are global, providing a broader scope of information. Let's type Python and you'll see it suggests get, and when we type this, it will suggest the other word. Let's dive deeper into the different elements of the UI. To the left of the search bar, you'll notice an option called Focus. Think of Focus as a filter that helps you restrict your research to specific areas. For instance, if you're interested in AI developments in healthcare, you can set the focus accordingly to receive more relevant results. Another feature adjacent to the search bar is the Attach feature. If you have used ChatGPT or Bard, you might have found this feature familiar. The Attach function in Perplexity AI is cleaner and more accurate, allowing you to attach specific parameters or datasets to your queries, refining your search results. Next, we have this Pro feature. This is one of the Perplexity AI's premium features called Pro, which assists in refining your queries and provides enhanced search capabilities. Later in this course, we'll explore how to access and utilize this feature effectively. To start using Perplexity AI, you can simply search for Perplexity AI on Google or use the link provided in the lecture description. After creating an account and logging in, you are ready to begin your research. When you type a query in the search bar, you'll notice the search button activates, indicating now you can proceed with your search. On the left sidebar, you'll see several important options. The first one is New Thread. A thread represents a series of related searches or a research topic. For instance, if you search for AI in healthcare, the query and subsequent related searches become part of the same thread. This feature helps in organizing your research efficiently. One of the advantages of Perplexity AI is that it allows you to conduct researches anonymously, similarly to Google. However, to use advanced features like threads, you need to be logged in. This dual functionality caters to different user needs, from casual searches to in-depth research. Next, let's move on this Home button. This button takes you back to the main dashboard at any time, providing a convenient way to restart or access new tools and features. Then we have this Discover button. The Discover section is where you can find recent threads and trending topics. This feature helps you update on the latest research and developments across various fields, providing a dynamic and constantly updated resource. Another critical area is this Library. This is where all your threads and collections are stored. Collections are a group of related threads, which you can create to organize your research better. For example, if you're working on a project involving multiple aspects of AI, you can create a collection that includes threads on different subtopics. While we are here, let's quickly address a common issue. If you don't see your threads in the library, it might be a temporary bug. Usually refreshing the page resolves this issue. On the sidebar, you'll find your profile options. Here you can update your profile details, which helps in getting personalized recommendations. Additionally, there is an option to download your data and access API settings. If you're familiar with APIs, this feature allows you to integrate Perplexity AI's capabilities into your own applications or workflow. You can also hide or expand the sidebar by clicking on this arrow. This customization option allows you to adjust the UI accordingly to your preference, providing a streamlined workspace. So one of the most powerful features in Perplexity AI is the playground. This is an experiment environment similar to ChatGPT, but with the access to latest open source models. In many cases, these models outperform GPT 3.5 and can even rival GPT 4 in terms of performance. In the playground, you can experiment with different models to see which one best suits your needs. This flexibility allows for advanced research and customization, making Perplexity AI a versatile tool for various applications. Next, let's take a practical example. Suppose you want to know about places to visit in Dubai, and then you activate this Pro feature. With this feature activated, Perplexity AI refines your search and presents the results in a clean, organized manner. Let's click on the Submit button. The search process involves several steps. First, Perplexity AI understands your query. Then it searches the web for relevant information, sifting through multiple sources. Finally, it summarizes the data, providing you with a comprehensive answer backed by credible sources. Each piece of information is linked to its source, similar to research papers. So they have provided these sources. This transparency ensures you can verify the information and delve deeper into the original sources if needed. Below the answers, you have several options. You can share the answer, rewrite it using different models like Cloud or Gemini Pro, or switch the AI engine to OpenAI's GPT-4. This flexibility allows you to compare outputs from different models and choose the one that best fits your needs. Switching models is straightforward. For example, if you prefer GPT-4, you can select it from the settings. Perplexity AI will then generate the answer using GPT-4, offering a different perspective on the same query. In the settings, you can also choose your default AI, ensuring that all your queries are processed using your preferred engine. Additionally, you can select image generation models for visual outputs. Another useful feature is the ability to search for related news, images, and videos by clicking on the relevant tabs. Perplexity AI expands your search, providing a holistic view of the topic. For instance, you can find related images from Google or generate new images using DALL-E 3. Image generation is particularly useful if you are creating content, such as a blog or a presentation. You can generate relevant images to enhance your narrative. For example, you can generate an image for a news summary. Perplexity AI uses advanced models like DALL-E 3 to create high-quality visuals. To summarize, Perplexity AI's interface is designed for ease of use and efficiency. By understanding its layout and features, you can leverage the platform to enhance your research and content creation. In the upcoming lectures, we'll delve deeper into each feature, exploring how to use them effectively. We'll look at creating collections using the Copilot feature and more. For now, let's recap what we have covered. So we explored the main dashboard, and then we explored the Pro feature. We navigated the sidebar, highlighting the new thread, home, discover, and library sections. We also touched on the profile options and the playground models for experimenting with different AIs. By now, you should have a good understanding of the Perplexity AI's interface. In the next lecture, we'll start using these features in detail, beginning with advanced search techniques. So stay tuned and get ready to elevate your research with Perplexity AI. And remember, if you're considering to upgrade the Pro version, hold on for a second. First, try the free version and then, if it suits your needs, then you can look at the pricing. Then you can go for the Pro feature.